Testing needs realistic data, but real user data is risky, slow, and often illegal to reuse. That's where fake, synthetic data comes in. Today I'll show you how to generate reliable, privacy-safe test data using simple AI tools and open-source libraries, step by step. Step 1. Define your schema and goals. Start by writing down exactly what you need: fields, types, ranges, and edge cases. Do you need names, emails, phone numbers, addresses, dates, product SKUs, or nested JSON objects? Also decide on volume: a few hundred rows, or millions for load tests. Clear goals make the generation process predictable and repeatable. Step 2. Choose a generation method. There are 3 common approaches. Open source libraries, like Faker, Python/JS, to produce realistic looking names, emails, and addresses. Online generators, Mockaroo or QuickType for drag and drop schemas and exports, CSV/JSON/SQL. AI-assisted generation, use LLMs or specialized tools to craft complex nested records or generate synthetic text that mimics real user behavior. Pick the tool that matches your schema complexity and scale. Step 3. Add realism and variability. Don't just generate random strings. Add distributions, e.g., 70% active users, 30% inactive, realistic date ranges, repeating patterns for time series, and correlated fields, zip code plus city. Seed your generator so results are reproducible for debugging. For AI-generated text, prompt for tone, length, and domain vocabulary to avoid nonsense outputs. Step 4. Validate and sanitize. Run automated checks, schema validation, type checks, referential integrity, uniqueness where required, usernames, IDs, and value ranges. Make sure no real PI sneaks in. Never seed generators with production data unless it's been properly anonymized and approved. Step 5. Scale and integrate into pipelines. Export to CSV/JSON/SQL, or stream generated records into databases and test suites. Use batch generation for large volumes or APIs for on-demand test data. Log generation parameters and seeds so tests remain reproducible. Ethics and best practices. Always document how synthetic data was created. Avoid simulating rare real individuals. Follow privacy laws, GDPR, and label synthetic datasets clearly so they're not mistaken for production data. That's it. Define, generate, validate, and scale. Use synthetic data to test faster, safer, and with more realism. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.